Well, the PJL continues in full force as we inch closer to the playoffs. I have Sana Mir and Darren Ganga here with me to recap yesterday's match and talk a bit about what is expected today. Sana, a great game last night, and the day overall belonged to the spinners.
Like Darren said in the pitch report, he said that there will be something for the spinners, and I'm always very happy when spinners takes wickets. I'm a bit biased that way. 11 wickets to spinners, 8 to the Sharks, and 3 for the Gujranwala Giants. I think they bowled really well. The overall standard of fielding was a little better, but overall the spinners were able to extract some spin and grip from the surface.
Well, Viv Richards was certainly a happy man at the end of yesterday.
Well, when you have a person and a figure like Vivian Richards in your dressing room, that's the greatest amount of inspiration you can ask for. He's been very animated. He's well invested in this team. You can see that the players are responding to him, and vice versa. He's responding to the players. That stumping in that last game, he ran out of that dugout and stood tall like he was a proud man. For a guy who's played over 100 test matches, 23 or 24 test match centuries, to be in a dressing room with young players, that's inspirational. Let's not forget the impact of Mustaq Ahmed as well, the coach in this Sharks team. He's been very influential, and you can see that in the way the wrist spinners have bowled for this side. You think of Saad Masood, Momin Kama, they've excelled tremendously, and Arfat Mihas. They've really dominated with the ball for this side, and it's been a major part of their success.
Absolutely, the wrist spinners, I think they have been so brilliant, and that's, I think, the biggest strength of the Sharks. They have got 3 wrist spinners. All other teams have more finger spinners, and with 3 wrist spinners, Sir Vivian Richards and Mushtaq Ahmed in the dugout, I think that's a deadly combination to have at any level.
And the mutual respect that they have for each other, that's only going to rub off onto these young players. They've really played with a fearless sort of attitude, and that's what is required in this format. T20 cricket, you've got to back yourself, back your ability, and they've shown versatility as a side. They've batted, they've chased, and they've won on all occasions.
Well, their captain hasn't been able to impress with the bat, the Sharks captain. But, in that ceremony after the game, he looked pretty confident about what his team's strengths were.
Look, he has got a very good knock where he won the match, one of the games. Yes, he got out in fashion. He would not want to get out, getting bowled behind the stumps. But like Darren said, when Vivian Richards is in the dugout, the self-confidence, the self-belief will be there, and the most important thing is that the team is winning. As a captain, it gives you so much confidence when your players are performing. You are able to give them the opportunity and the motivation. So yes, he has played a very good knock, and what I liked about it, his interview, was that he said the bowler has not got him out. So he's taking it very positively, and he will require that if he really wants to finish as the champion of this tournament.
Right, well, the Sharks did have a good day, but the Giants are at right now they're looking in a bit of a trouble.
Yeah, they've struggled a bit to get the form right with the bat. We knew that they struggled in the power play overs again. They weren't able to secure a win in that last game. You look at their batting lineup, they were 30 for 2 in the first power play, and then 86 for 9 in 15 overs. And that's why they're at number 5 on that list of teams, still trying to get points. Just like Hyderabad Hunters, they've been close to victory, but they just haven't been able to cross the line.
Well, let's see how they fare tonight. It's a very, very important game for the Hunters right now. Dominic Cork is ready with the pitch report.
Match 10 of this Pakistan Junior League, and we're on a fresh pitch. This is pitch number 5. It is a brand new pitch, never been used before. I've been speaking to the curator here, and he's happy that there's been 11 hours of rolling in here. I think you can see a little bit of a sheen on it as well, which I think and I hope that will just allow the seamer to get a little bit of bounce. Let's just talk about the boundary size. Once again, 66 metres all the way round. It is easily, reachable all the way round. Conditions, I think this is one of the coolest evenings we've had here, and I think that'll really help the batters and the bowlers just to get through this game. I think it would be a great pitch. Pitch number 5. Let's hope for another fantastic game. And I think whoever wins the toss will once again look to bowl first.
Thanks, Dom. Darren, that's a new pitch that's being played on today.
Yeah, it's a new pitch, and I agree with Dominic Cork there. There's a little bit of a sheen. We didn't see that in the pitch for the last game. That's why I felt the spinners would have dominated. When you look at what has happened between these both teams, of course, this Mardan Warriors team, they rely a lot on their seamers. So this could work in favor of their seamers. If you look at the top 11 bowlers in this league, 3 of the 11 bowlers are from this Mardan Warriors side. So that's an advantage that they'll go into this contest with. But still, it's about the execution. They'll have to put the ball in the right areas. Maybe there's a bit of swing on offer. So they can capitalize on that if they bowl first.
Well, the Warriors definitely a great bowling unit right now. Sikandar Bakht is ready with the toss.
It's match 10 of the Pakistan Junior League, and we've got Hyderabad Hunters facing the Mardan Warriors today. I've got our match referee, Mr. Nadeem Arshad, alongside me, the two captains, Abbas Ali and Saad Beg. And who's got the coin? Abbas has the coin, Saad will call. Heads is the call. And heads it is. Saad टॉस जीते हैं. सबसे पहले तो ये बताइए करेंगे क्या?
बैटिंग करेंगे सर.
बैटिंग करेंगे.
जी सर.
इसकी वजह ये है कि स्कोरबोर्ड प्रेशर नहीं चाहिए है, क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली बाकी 2 बचे हुए मैचेस आपके जीतना ज़रूरी हैं.
जी बिल्कुल, जैसे कि आपको पता है 2 मैच हमारे जीतना ज़रूरी है. इंशाल्लाह हम लोग बैटिंग करेंगे और इसमें इम्प्लीमेंट करेंगे, अच्छा से अच्छा टोटल देंगे और अच्छे जल्दी डिफेंड करेंगे, अच्छा टोटल देके डिफेंड करेंगे इनको.
जब आप अच्छा टोटल कहते हैं, ये नई पिचेस पे अभी तक कोई मैच हुआ नहीं है, किस किस्म का स्कोर आपको लगता है कि यहाँ डिफेंड हो जाएगा?
हम 160 to 165 70 करेंगे तो इंशाल्लाह हम इनको ईजिली डिफेंड कर लेंगे.
कोई चेंजेस हैं टीम में?
जी 1 चेंज है, आफ्ताब आया है फाहद की जगह.
ओके, थैंक यू, गुड लक. विल स्पीक टू अब्बास अली. अब्बास, बैटिंग करनी पड़ेगी पहले और फ्रेशली लेड सरफेस है. कितना स्कोर आपको लग रहा है कि बना पाएंगे? सॉरी, बॉलिंग करेंगे आप पहले, कितने पे रोकेंगे इनको?
जी बिल्कुल, इंशाल्लाह कोशिश करें. हमारा यही प्लान था कि हम बॉलिंग ही करें, 140 145 तक रिस्ट्रिक्ट करें.
ओवरऑल कॉम्बिनेशन टीम की बड़ी अच्छी जा रही है, जिस तरह से आप देख रहे हैं, जीत भी मिल रही है. इस सूरत में कप्तान के लिए बड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है, कौन सी 11 मेरे बेस्ट हैं? आपको मिल गए हैं अगर प्लेऑफ्स में जाने के पहले?
जी बिल्कुल, कम्बिनेशन बनाते हैं, कभी एक खेलते हैं कभी दूसरा खेलता है, तो कोशिश करेंगे कि स्ट्रॉन्ग कम्बिनेशन हमारा बने. उसी तरह चलते हैं इंशाल्लाह.
क्या तब्दीली है, चेंज कोई है टीम में?
जी बिल्कुल, आर्ची आई है फारूक की जगह.
ओके, चलिए, गुड लक.
थैंक यू.
So, the news from the centre that Saad Beg, captain of Hyderabad Hunters, has won the toss and they've decided they'll bat first.
Well, this Hyderabad Hunters team for today, just one change from the last game. Fahad Amin is out, the right-arm fast bowler, and like-for-like replacement. Aftab Ibrahim comes into the side, and it's a side that will rely more on their batting. Their captain, Saad Beg, yes, 5th on that most runs list in the tournament. He'll need to get a good partnership again with Arbaz Khan. They had a good partnership of 132 in that second game, but more runs is required from Afaq Khan, from Ali Nazir. That middle order needs to produce with the bat. Their bowlers, of course, they have some spin in there. Hasib Ur Rahman, the mystery spinner, has to take more wickets for this team, and the balance between bat and ball has to come to the fore for them to be successful and secure their first win. Sana, your thoughts on this Mardan Warriors team?
They have also made one change. Archie Lenham, who rested in the last game, he comes back. They played Mohammad Farooq to deepen the batting, but now he's out because Archie can also contribute with the bat. What I really like about the Mardan Warriors is their seam attack. They are the only team who got Basit Ali, who has been in tremendous form, out very early in the power play, and I do think Saad Beg and Arbaz Khan will be truly tested with this kind of a pitch and the seam attack.
Well, the sides look well balanced. It will be a good game, and for now, let's get to know more about the Mardan Warriors captain Abbas Ali.
बचपन में टेप बॉल खेलते थे, बस घर वालों को शौक़ था. अब्बू को बहुत ज़्यादा शौक़ है क्रिकेट खेलने का, तो इस वजह से मैं अब्बू के साथ बात करता था कि मुझे क्रिकेट में दाखिल करो. उसने फिर मुझे एकेडमी में डाला है, तो 2017 से शुरू की है. बस उसी साल अंडर 16 खेल रहा हूँ, बस 3 साल अंडर 16 खेल रहा हूँ, फिर 3 साल अंडर 19 खेल रहा हूँ, फिर 19 वर्ल्ड कप भी खेल रहा हूँ. तो बस इसी तरह सिलसिला जारी है. बाहर वाले प्लेयर भी आए, तो सब इंशाल्लाह बहुत अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी है सब प्लेयरों के लिए. हम कोशिश करेंगे कि अच्छे से अच्छा खेलें और अपने टीम के लिए मैचेस जीतें. बहुत बड़ा टूर्नामेंट हो रहा है हमारे लिए, सारे प्लेयरों के लिए बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छी फॉर्मेलिटी है. तो कोशिश करेंगे कि इसको जितना जल्दी अवेल करें हो सके तो उतना हमारे लिए अच्छा होगा। बचपन से ख्वाब था शायद भाई के साथ खेलना और ये उसको देखना। जब वो ग्राउंड में आता है तो बहुत ज़्यादा फैन फॉलोअर्स होते हैं उसकी, तो बहुत खुशी होती है जब उसके साथ ड्रेसिंग रूम हमारे साथ ड्रेसिंग रूम शेयर करेगा शायद, तो बहुत अच्छा फील हो रहा है।